Hello Libras, this is your monthly reading for the month of June. Any secret message from their side, from their end, your partner side, right? So let's see for my beautiful Libras. So first two cards you have 10 of Wands and the Queen of Wands. So this means your partner is going through some difficult phase of their life when they have lot of burden on their shoulder. Maybe this is just simply a responsibilities or workload that they have on their shoulder, or maybe something else is really giving them some sort of a burden, but they representing themselves as a perfect, that they are okay, they are very happy, they representing themselves with a lot of like perfect behavior, like they are okay, they are fine, they are good, they are happy, they are joyful. So they are like portraying this sort of energy to the other outside world and towards you, that they are totally fine, they are beautiful, they are okay. But in reality this person is like going through some difficult phase, or maybe this is just simply a workload or some sort of a burden that your partner is feeling currently, but they are portraying that they are very in a high vibration and happy and confident and having a strong will, whereas they have to deal with a multiple issues in their life. So let's see any other secret message. See, okay, I put all the cards reverse, so let me shuffle again. I just flip the cards. So any secret message from your partner's side. Yes, Tower card, and this card is like the last card that I put back in the deck is this one, but that is reversed. But actually it is not reversed. I handle or hold all the cards in a reverse position, so this is definitely a upright. So see, again this card pop out, so this card definitely do want to be pop out. So Tower moment is like that, there is some sort of a destruction, some sort of a shock, and two tens in your reading. 10 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles. Maybe they are working hard for the money because they want a stability. 10 of Pentacles in a financial area that they desire, but before getting the stability at the final stage, they definitely get this stage when this is like they have a perfect home, money, area, each and everything. But before reaching this state, they have to go through this difficult time period that is like giving them a some sort of a shock, some sort of a destruction, so that they build something new and that give them the stability. First, something is like they are dealing with this situation that is not fruitful for them, that is really exhausting. Your partner is really feeling exhausted, but the thing is, at the final stage, they definitely work hard for the responsibilities, what are the duties or situation that the divine put them into a test. They clear it in a very good way. That's why at the final stage they get some financial gains in their life. At the same time, no matter if work is overloaded, but that much work that they are doing giving them some sort of a worth, because they gain some financial gains, they gain some sort of a stability, right? But first they have to deal with this situation that they are hiding from you, that something is like not in their favor. This is some sort of a shocking news or something. So, and bottom of the deck, strength, but they have enough strength to deal with this sort of a tar moment, whether it's in your connection, whether it's in their career area, their financial area, at their professional life, but some sort of a problem, or maybe in just simply a family members. So some sort of a this situation they have, they are not telling you, but they have enough strength to deal with this situation and to convert this sort of a situation to this beautiful stability in their life. So your partner is very courageous. So let me take any other secret message from your partner's side. This is all going on that they feel the burden, but they are not expressing it, but they are dealing it with this situation very courageously, and they overcoming each and every situation. In the death card, there are ending of some sort of a endings done in their life which is not serving them anymore in their life. There are some sort of a chapter that is ending in their life. Whatever the problem issues, that situation which is not serving them, that is like end, transformation from this destructive mode to this beautiful stability. So your partner is moving forward because they are transforming whatever the failure or situation they are going through in the past, which is really disappointing. Now they are moving forward with a lot of stability. They are gaining the inner stability, whether it's inner stability, whether it's financial, definitely some financial gains, definitely they gain for sure, and at the same time emotional stability. They balance themselves, they know they are very courageous person, so they do it very well. Everything is all right now. So any last secret message? 10 of, okay, this card is also do want to pop out. 10 of swords, 7 of wands. So what this mean? Whatever this destructive behavior, whatever this tower movement happen in their life, that give them the extreme pain, but how they deal with this situation, because they are now defensive about the situation. Now I am getting the point that something is going wrong in your connection or breakup or separation, right? That give them the lot of burden, but they are showing that everything is all right. But in reality everything for your partner is like destructed. But your partner is very courageous, they know how to handle their situation. No matter how much pain this person is going through, a lot of pain experience, this person experience a lot of pain, but they transform themselves. They now defensive, they don't want to deal with this situation, right? They are defensive, they are not accepting anything right now, they don't want to think about anything, and they are just working on their pentacles and on their stability. So this is the secret message. And bottom of the deck, they are regretting upon something, missing kind of energy, yes, but no matter how much this person missing you, they are defensive, they are not gonna put any effort into this connection. They are defensive. If you message them, they still be like this, defensive. So this is the secret message. Bottom of this is like star card, but there is some sort of a hope still left in this connection, but inside their heart they still hoping for something positive. Outside they are portraying like they are defensive, but at some corner of their heart they still hoping for the something positive news in this connection. So let me see any love message from your partner side. So dreams, I am so proud of you. They have a lot of dreams related to you, and maybe they are proud of you because of something. I'm not taking that much cards, just 2 more cards. Destiny, I want forever with you. So they feel like this is something destiny connection from their heart. They aware about that thing, they want to be with you forever. So let me take last message and then wrap it up the situation. Sorry, I forget to take the angel's advice. Let me take it after this card. Emotional changes, dive into the depth with me. Depressed darkness, this is like a missing kind of energy, negative thoughts lingering in their mind, so that kind of a state, emotional imbalance. So let me take some angel guidance first and then wrap it up. So hostilities, so now this is the time for both of you to provide your helping hands for the some services related to helping hands that you provide to the others, in some sort of a social service that you may do this time that will help you in this connection. Door to spirit, door to spirit again representing some sort of a way you gain some sort of a information through your spirit guides, some sort of a synchronicities, some sort of a red flags that you both gain related to this connection time to time. So that is representing door to the spirit. So yes, one last advice for my viewers and then finally done. There is always a solution of the highest good. So you have to think about the highest good of all, not just for you but for both of you, right? So this is the reading for you. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.